SONOS has just launched a new premium soundbar, not only for its attractive design but also for its sound characteristics. We are talking about the RC Ultra, a soundbar that integrates a new technology called sound motion. This technology allows to reduce the size of the transducer and thus generate a greater amount of bass without necessarily increasing the entire size of the soundbar. So even though it looks like a relatively slim and compact bar, it actually packs a lot of power. With this bar, SONOS promises a cinematic sound in your living room as it has spatial audio with a large number of channels, and remember that it has a technology to somehow scan your room and send the sound in the best way. It also brings voice optimizers to better understand the dialogues of movies or series and is available in both black and white color. In addition, it can be somehow hung on the wall or simply held on a table. It also brings voice control, compatible even with Amazon Alexa. On the other hand, to complement this bar and have an even more professional sound, they also presented the Sub 4, which is a subwoofer that is going to have a tremendous quality as well. It has a very particular square design that really looks very nice. This is the high-end Sonos subwoofer of today, so if you want the latest, you should get this one. And in case you were in doubt, this Sub 4 is compatible with previous generations such as the Sonos Arc or the Sonos Beam. Besides obviously being compatible with the recently introduced Sonos Arc Ultra. The price of the Sonos Arc Ultra announced for the United States is $999, while the Sub 4 costs $499. There is also the option to buy the whole package at a price of $1,618.